Google has recently released its newest addition to the Pixel lineup, the Pixel 7a, with a price tag of $500. This mid-range smartphone is aimed at providing high-end features at an affordable price point. The Pixel 7a features a 6.1-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and is powered by Google Tensor G2 flagship processor and Titan M2 security chip. It also comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, along with a 4385 mAh battery that supports fast charging and lasts up to 72 hours with extreme battery saver. In terms of photography, the Pixel 7a sports a dual camera setup on the back featuring a 64 megapixel sensor and a 13 megapixel ultra-wide lens. On the front, there is a 13 megapixel selfie camera. The Pixel 7a runs on Android 13 out of the box and comes with features such as Google Assistant, Google Lens, and 5G connectivity. It also has an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance. Overall, the Pixel 7a offers an excellent value for money proposition for users looking for a mid-range smartphone with high-end features.